So whenever I walk into EL on a daily basis, I would say that I feel excitement because I love what I do. What I love most about my job is that I can come in, I can work at my own pace. I enjoy working with the leaders. I enjoy working for the company.
Hi, Ravendra.
Hi,
How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Lots of great teamwork with all the team leaders and everyone here. When I'm not at EL and when I'm not working, I love spending time with my family. I have a 4-year-old, very energetic, so I love taking her to the park, reading stories with her, watching movies with her. So 3 words that I think someone would use to describe me would be respectful, humble, and caring. Fun fact about me, probably about 12 years ago, I worked in a warehouse and I actually drove the forklift, the reach truck, and the electric pallet jacks. I just love the culture, and we have a variety of people from different cultures, so diversity is one of the big things here with us, so I just love and enjoy it. One of the best career lessons I've learned so far here at EL is never stop learning. There's always room for growth. I love that they're very respectful. They have an open door policy. They're very easy to talk to. Just have a conversation about anything at any given day at any time, and they're always there for you, always willing to teach you if there's something that you need to learn. To my prior job, prior to coming to EL, I didn't have that work-life balance. I've since learned how to do that because I've given that opportunity here at EL to be able to balance work and life. The team here is awesome to work with. Everyone works together to get things done. Wish I had joined the team 5 years ago because it's been a great 4, 5, 6 months. I love my job here at Electronic Locksmith.